Lumipat si Magellan sa Spain at he was able to get funding from the King of Spain. Okay? Ayan, the rest is history. We all know. Kumuha sila ng 5 ships. They crossed the Atlantic. Tapos pagdating sa kabila sa Brazil, kinapakapan ng Brazil at Argentina para mahanap yung butas, which is called the Strait of Magellan. At yun, dumating sila sa Pacific. Ayan, and that started a 99-day crossing across an ocean. Akala nila maliit lang na body of water, pero somehow na-survive nila. And I have a feeling that Enrique, si Iking, had something to do with his indigenous knowledge. Meron siyang contribution dun sa biyahe niya. Of course, ang nakalagay palagi dun sa libro ni Pigafetta, well, we went 20 degrees north, we went this way, and marami siyang mga palabok, pero wala siyang binabanggit masyado. But for some reason, Magellan had taken the slave with him kasi alam niya, meron siyang kaalaman about the area where he was looking for. And I'm sure, alam mo, okay, yung slave mo, nagluluto para sa'yo, hinuhugasan ng kalsonsilyo mo, minamasahe ka, habang minamasahe, Master, huwag kang galala, basta tuloy-tuloy mo lang. Because, at this time in history, everybody thought the world was flat, di ba? Hindi pa natin discover na makakaikot sa mundo. Magellan finally proved that you can go around there. Pero at that time, everybody thought, uy, the world is flat. Uy, baka may kanto dyan, may dulo yung Pacific Ocean. At ay, naku, baka may Niagara Falls pa doon. Lahat tayo will fall over the edge. And so, yung general sentiment ng crew was, wow, madman itong si Magellan, let's go back. Kaya maraming mutiny, maraming lumaban para bumalik na lang sila sa Spain kasi natatakot sila mahulog sa bangin. But, one day more. Yun. Hanggang nakarating sila March 16, 1521 sa Samar, no? At dun, Magellan noticed that yung mga natives, black hair, sabi niya kay King, try to talk to them, baka ito yung inahanap natin Spice Islands. But ang unang island they hit was ang salita waray-waray. Okay? Now don't forget, every island had its own language. Hindi dialects. For a long time, American scholars called them dialects. Pero they're really different languages, waray-waray, Bocolano. Pero a few days later, tumuloy sila, and when they reached Limasawa at sa Cebu, marunong mag-Bisaya si Enrique, si King. So what does this mean? Sa akin, it means that the first person to go around the world, tumabay siya kay Enrique, kay Magellan, had returned to the island of his mother town. So the first circumnavigator, pagka tinatanong sa inyo grade 6 teacher, sino unang circumnavigator ng mundo? Ma'am sir, si FM. Ferdinand Magellan. FM. Wow, mali. I think there's a strong case that possibly Iking could have been the first person to go around the world. We cannot prove it 1% in the Western way of prove empirically 101% na hindi ganito. But nobody can prove 101% na hindi si Enrique. And a lot of Western scholars accept that possibility. Anyway, I just want you to be aware of that. It's a nice story, pero let's just consider he was an Indo-genius who showed the way to FM to be able to go around the world. Let's look at 15 minutes of this film that I started in 1979 at almost matapos na this year. Pero for now, can we put out the lights?